In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare and paint wooden picket fencing with Frenchic paint using 3 different methods. Start off by sanding the surface of your fence using an orbital sander. Open your tin of paint, give it a good stir. My first application is using a paintbrush. Then another alternative is using a small radiator roller. Pour the paint into your tray, get plenty on the roller and start to apply on the surface. Then there's paint spraying. You may need to dilute your paint by 10 to 20% until you get a nice smooth runny consistency. Pop on your PPE and then start spraying, making sure you've got dust sheets or cardboard covering the surface below. Apply any finishing touches and you're done. If you want to see more 60-second tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.